Here are the top stories right now. Taxpayers in states like Arkansas and Kentucky have extended deadlines for filing taxes due to severe weather. Residents in several states now have until May 1st, 2025, to file their taxes. Whooping cough cases have increased dramatically, rising over 1,500% since 2021. This year alone, there have been over 7,000 cases reported, which is double the amount from last year. Finally, Burger King is running a special promotion where Royal Perks members can get a regular cheeseburger for just 1 cent with any purchase of $1 or more. Krispy Kreme is also offering a dozen donuts for the price of sales tax with a dozen purchase. Check back here for news, weather, and more.